Hello, Kai Fenor. Today we have a new listings, new property here in Dalipi, San Jose, Antique. So today we will show to you how we convert a depleted property into income generating. So this beach resort property, we will turn into income generating. Tara, puntahan natin sa loob kung paano natin gawin to. So this is the entire property, 1,669 square meters, included the house, the two-story house, and the function hall. And you see, we have a fourplex, mga ka-Fenor. To turn natin ito income generating, tayo yung magmamanage. The property management of Fenor Solutions will handle to this property. Tara, tingnan natin kung paano natin ito ma-improve at saka ipa-generate ng income generating natin. Let's go! Kung nakita natin, may sira-sira na yung property natin. So, gagawin natin to, i-improve natin, gagawin natin to na i-enhance natin para mas maganda tingnan at i-landscape natin pa to later on kung nakita natin. At mapakita din namin sa inyo yung before and after nito once na mag-generate na or magkaroon na siya ng operations dito sa beach resort. So today we have nag-meeting tayo ngayon sa ating unit. Richard, ano ulit nalan mo? Rafael. So this is Rafael. Tayo yung nag-prepare at nag-renovate ng ating one unit apartment. And we have included dito yung toilet. So if you are looking for an apartment or stay for a short term, so this is the best bili namin ma-offer sa inyo. A rental property, a leasing property, Fenor. And it's a unit 1. And so yung unit also, i-renovate namin. Sabi ko nga, this is a depleted property. Binibinta na ng owner to while we are offering this to the client, while waiting for the right buyer. So napag-isipan namin na ayusin muna to generate income and we partner with the owner para magkaroon din siya ng income while we find the right buyer. So this is another one unit na hindi pa siya renovated and di siya na-paint. So pagandahin pa namin to at papakita namin sa sunod na vlog kung ano na yung result nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apartment units. So same size nito. Yung size natin, medyo maliit lang to, good for 2, yun, good for 3. So medyo maliit lang na size, pero we included the toilet na kasama. So if you are looking for the property here in San Jose na for rent for short term, we offer this place for you. This is a storage room, so di siya na included. So we have 5 unit na 2 to 3 na tao. And with the family unit here in other side na meron siyang balcony. Makita natin. Family unit 4. Kung nakahanap kayo ng mga madami kayong group, so this is the best unit. Another family room. So we have 2 family room. Yung isang family room hindi siya facing doon sa esplanade. Ito mayroon kang view doon sa esplanade na to. If you're looking for a nice view, this is good for a family or a group unit na pwede din mastikan dito sa foreman, yung foreman. This is Arnold. Ito yung nag-aayos ng mga furniture natin. Ito yung Arnold and from mga ano kayo problema sa mga furnitures or sa mga landscaping as well. So Arnold yung pupuntakin natin or Arnold Dalumpines sa Facebook. Ang maganda dito kay Fernor, we have a canal in front facing dito sa development na development. So maganda talaga, we have accessible from the road and for the esplanade, pwede kayo magligo. So mamaya magsasign na kami ng owner on this cottage doon sa property management at sa property for sale nila. So samahan mo kami para tingnan natin kung paano kami gumagawa house transact with the owner and the partner. So, hello kay Fenor, if you know this kind of property, comment down below and we will give you a surprise gift if you know the locations of this property. Thank you and good luck.